Hey guys, Jarrett here, and I got this replacement USB-A to USB-A cord here for my cooling pad. So I've had this cooling pad for about 4 or 5 years now, and unfortunately the cord did break. I've been using this cord right here with my gaming laptop, and it works extremely well. It's a long cord too, so I've been just keeping this attached just because it is such a short distance. So as you can see, it's extremely long, so that's great. More is definitely better with these. It has this little hook here, so that way if you want to kind of cinch up some extra cordage, you could use this here to kind of hold this all in place. Then you can go ahead and plug this right in, and as you see, this turns right back on and works exactly like how it needs to be. It's almost like it's brand new again, which I love. I also like the braiding on this too. It's not firm and it feels like this will last a long time. It's easy to fold. I would definitely recommend this USB-A to USB-A here. It gives you a lot of range. I'm just using this as a power source between my laptop and my cooling pad, so I would definitely say check this out.